So, loved one, how's it going? This is a new end of my day, and well, I just must go to do some haircut. I will do it probably tomorrow. Um, so, um, in the aspect of my project was, pretty disappointing and awful. On my first project when I started, I just did some mistakes, and that actually caused me to lose control, and it was a problem with the software, and it's just after 4 hours of working I just needed to use my keeping in order to just recycle the thing that the thing that was, and that actually was without some update and like without not update, but how I can say it. So I just needed to take a step back and lose something that I just already did all right, and that's because today when I just wanted to make some things better, everything just went wrong, and because of that I just needed to delete and do some shit, and that was the result. And I can say maybe almost the same thing about my second project. I worked about something. I just needed to do some analyze, and eventually I just almost couldn't proceed, and literally keep to the next thing, and and yeah, that was pretty disappointing. These type of days just bring me give me the feelings that I don't do nothing with my life, and there is all fucking bullshit that I do, and there is nothing result, and you know, yeah. But you know, I feel pretty just you know, normal and relaxed about it, because you know, I just, I'm pretty I just think, you know, that this is one day, and yesterday was pretty nice on the project, and before, yeah, before day everything was, you know, and the thing just keep going, and I feel that I do something, even it's really, you know, little little step every time, and you know, it's really hardly, and I really need some real thing, and this is pretty fucking shit, you know, every time just work about but the things actually, you know, keep, and I can say that there is some things and you know, and then eventually, yeah, that's what it was. Tomorrow I will just do a different, you know, job, and yeah, it will be you know, shit, as every time, and yeah, it's really hard, it's really shit, and I don't know, but I have a lot of, you know, confusing, because sometimes I just feel that I do the right, and you know, I just I proceed about something that I just really you know, real wanted, and I see how with the time I success to really do, and to just, you know, make, but in the other side I have a lot of, you know, regret, because I you know, time, it's not, you know, it's not a nothing, and I have, you know, some people that do something like formal, and it just make me really confusing. But in the other side, before something like 2 months, I wasn't really confusing if I want to maybe, you know, change something, or I don't know, and I check this point, and I arrive to understand that, you know, it's probably, it will not be the right things for me. Yeah, I absolutely you know, analyzed, but you know, and yeah. So tomorrow I will just keep going and do whatever. Yeah, that's what I just need to do. And I will probably buy something